how to use photopea. I don't really know how to say it. You guys know what I'm talking about. You guys seen the thumbnail. So this is what I made today, right? So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I made this, okay? So first what you wanna do is you wanna open up photopea. But before we click new project, you guys can also look at all of these templates. One of my favorite ones is if you go all the way down here on the left side, you'll see this Mr. Beast template. You can literally click on this, drag, move stuff like this. So it makes it very simple, very easy to make Mr. Beast type of thumbnails, as I showed in a previous video. You can delete stuff and turn stuff to whatever you want, right? So basically you type T, then you just type in whatever you want to type in for your thumbnail. So in my case, it's going to be how to use photopea. So when you come to here, just add outer glow, stroke, a drop shadow. For the drop shadow, make sure you have the opacity max. You can play with the distance how you like, the spread how you like, and the size how you prefer it. I'm gonna keep it right about right there. Oh, I did not spell photopea right. But what I've gone and did in the other one is I just looked up simply mansions. So once you go here, I found this picture right here. I clicked copy image, and then I put it right here, and I put it to the background. You can click on it, hit Control T again, drag it to the corner, and just try to scale it to your picture. Photos are not going to scale correctly because of however they were made, but you know, we're just going to deal with it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a photopea logo. The circle, I'm going to just use this for now. Again, Control T so you can scale it. I end up putting it like right here. And then I added a picture of myself, so like this. You guys see the picture. All I did was I went to Discord, and then I went on my phone and then added a picture of me on Discord like this. Then it should pop up on your PC. You click on it, click copy image, paste it in, and here comes a really important part of the process. So you want to hit Control T again, scale it down, and here comes the part that it's kind of tedious and it's kind of hard if you don't understand what you're doing, but it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. So hit P, so you have your pen tool out. You can also click on it right here on the side. Hit Control plus on your picture so you can zoom in. You want to get really close and personal when you're making your pen tool edits. I'm just gonna zip through it real quick because I already made the picture, but so you want to use your pen tool, try to get the best kind of cut you can from it. Just cut it out, cut out your picture. I'm gonna just do it like real fast. And then it'll cut the background out. You can also use the eraser tool to try to erase some of the edges, but for now I'm gonna just keep it how it is because I don't really care. And as a final step, what you're gonna want to do to add like a filter to your person, go here, hit camera raw, which is a camera raw filter. You can turn on the exposure here, turn up the contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, turn the blacks down slightly. Don't mess with the temperature or the tint. You can turn up the vibrance and saturation, and I like to turn up the clarity and the texture. Looks like I turned up the saturation a little too high, and that will give you a better picture. And you can also do that for the background, which I'll go ahead and do. And that's pretty much it. If you guys want me to make a tutorial on how to make thumbnails on mobile, I can also do that. As you guys can see, I've made multiple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers between both my channels. Make sure to comment down if you guys want me to make a separate mobile video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it's very helpful for you guys because I used to struggle with making thumbnails. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and later.